Oh, you're the reason why I'm thinking I don't wanna smoke on these cigarettes no more. I guess that's what I get for wishful thinking. I should've never let you enter my door.